Hi everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to fix TikTok features missing. Here are some options you can try to fix the issue of missing TikTok features. If you're a TikTok user and you suddenly realize that some TikTok features have stopped working or inaccessible, the very first thing to do is to launch your TikTok application. Click the three vertical lines here. Kindly go to Settings and Privacy. Scroll down and look for free up space. Click this one and click Clear Cache. On one video showing website, clearing your cache simply entails deleting temporary data that occupies space on your smartphone. Clear cache data on TikTok means removing insignificant data in the app, which will free up storage space on your device. It is indeed very helpful to fix TikTok missing features. Now, once clearing your cache, one way also to fix TikTok missing features is to go to your phone settings, scroll down, and look for application management, this one, and then go to app list, scroll down, or search for TikTok application. And then once it appears, click uninstall. Uninstalling your TikTok can help you fix missing features on TikTok. Don't worry, because if you remove TikTok from your device, nothing will be lost. The only thing that will happen if you delete TikTok is that you will remove the program from your mobile device, making it impossible for you to access the platform by a shortcut. But reinstalling it again will have a big chance to fix TikTok missing features. If you find this video helpful and informative, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more video tips and video tutorials.